Well, hello, my loves. You are watching Kolie's Best Tips, and I'm here to do a review and unboxing for the DreamKeepers Tarot. So I already took it off the plastic, so I'm just gonna put some of it anyway. This is the box. This is the inside. So that's the book. Okay, let's see what's going on with the book. And you can like and subscribe if you like this channel or want to see more videos on reviews of the deck and also flip throughs. Okay, so far, let's see what's in here. So let's see the introduction, basics of tarot and reading the cards, setting the space and asking the questions, interpreting the cards, sample tarot spreads. I got some samples here, choosing between two paths, a card a day. Let's see, looks like it has a few spreads in here. And it's in black and white. There's no color, which is still fine. And so let's see here. Yes, that's what it has. And pretty much keywords to it. It has a huge paragraph. A lot to interpret and learn. Has the meaning of the reversals as well. I got this deck on Amazon. This deck was $25, so it was with tax like $27 or something like that. And they're already out of stock. And I pre-ordered mine, and they're already out of stock. So, but you can still pre-order yours. And here is the cards in the box. Okay, let's get on with it. I'll cut this right off. I don't want to cut the cards. All right, let's scratch them up. Okay, excuse my nails, they're looking really ugly today. But here are the cards. This is the Fool. So let me take them out and show you guys. This is the Fool. Okay. The Creatrix, which I'm thinking is the Magician. Yeah. Magician, but the Creatrix. So there we go for that. It's good lighting. The High Priestess. The Empress. Trying to get rid of that light there. There we go. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers, which I love. Isn't that cool? Beautiful, different. This is a unique deck to me. I wonder what the interpretation is on some of the cards here. The Chariot. The Strength card. Does that look like a snake around her? What is that? Yeah, that's a snake. The Hermit. Trying to keep it at the beaming light there. The Fates. Justice. Pretty. Looks like there's no face. Yeah, has multiple things she's holding. The Hanged Woman. The Death card. It's really interesting. Looks like she's caged in some kind of way in a coffin, or looks like a mummy of some sort. Temperance. The Devil. Looks like the devil is whispering something in her ear. Very tempting. The Tower. That's different and unique. I'd love to read the interpretations on this deck. The Star. Real pretty. She has a ship. Is that a ship on her? What you guys think? Looks like a ship. Something's on her head. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Looks like on the Matrix and it had multiple arms there. Ace of Wands. Looks like she's experimenting. Got all her potions in the back. Two of Wands. The Three of Wands. Pretty much traditional there. Four of Wands. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's very different. Very different and unique. With the trees. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. She's having victory eating her grapes there. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Not sure what's going on there. Looks like looks like the Death card is in it. Like she has a skull the opposite side of her, like two-faced human and skull on the opposite side. It's like a part of a death card. Yeah, ending. Ace of Cups. This deck is really interesting. Two of Cups. Beautiful. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Well, she has the scissors, cut off head with scissors in there. I'm not quite sure what that is. That's an interesting interpretation. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Look like this card is a little different from the others. Ten of Cups. Ace of Swords. That's beautiful. Looks like she's having some dark times there. Walking through some dark times. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Looks like she's just resting. Five of Swords. That's really interesting. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. Looks like she's just tired of worrying, tired of being hurt. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords there. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles. This is really beautiful. The butterflies for transition, but these no heads on here. This is really going to be an interesting deck to interpret. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Traditional. Eight of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Pretty traditional there. 10 of Pentacles. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. King of Wands. Queen of Wands. Page of Cups. Like 2 heads there. And a skull. You guys see that? 2 heads and a skull. Oh. 9 of Cups. Knight of Cups. King of Cups. That's real interesting too. The moon, like a moon, half moon head. And for the Queen of Cups as well. Half moon heads. Page of Wands. I'm sorry. Page of Cups. No, I'm sorry. Page of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. King of Swords. Like it's kind of different how they're coming out. Queen of Swords. Page of Pentacles. Looks like all the court cards in the yeah, pretty much all the court cards at the bottom. Knight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. And the Queen of Pentacles. And these are the back of the cards. Alright, they kind of right. Pretty, not bad. It's not that thin, I would say. They're pretty sturdy. A pretty good stack of cards. Let's show you the size, how thick they are. Alright, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.